Hey guys, welcome back. All right, quick things we're gonna be doing here. We're gonna turn this pink quiver from this color to this. Check out the video. I think it'll be helpful to save some money. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ray. Listen, I got a weird video I'm about to do here. Now, you guys been following me, you know I got into archery. With archery, you can buy a lot of different accessories. What you see in front of you, I end up picking up a hip quiver to carry some more arrows when I'm on the range. I can have on my hip and I can shoot more instead of shooting the 5 or 6 arrows that I have on my quiver on my bow. So I saw this one from Easton, and you can see it's pink. Now, I don't have any, well, I have daughters, but they're not into archery, just myself and my sons. If you know about Easton, very good company. They have different brands of quiver. This one here is the, what do you call, I forgot the name of it, but it's a particular model that you can you can wear it on your left or right hip. So that would attract me to this. This quiver here, listed on their website at retail, is about, I believe it was $70, $80. If I'm wrong, I'll put a little screenshot. They're selling this quiver now for $7, all right, for this color. The other ones are about $60, so it's only like $10 off. This one, again, for $7, marked down from $80, $70, $80. And that's a deal I could not pass up. I'm confident in my masculinity, all right, and I can wear this on the range and don't even worry about it. But pink is not my color. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not. So I decided, so maybe $7, what the heck? Buy it. I'm in for shipping, another $7, $14 for a nice quiver for Easton. I said, you can't go wrong with it. And doing that, I said, you know what? I'm gonna try to paint this. So I end up picking up some fabric paint to turn this from pink into black. Don't know it's gonna work. If it doesn't, I'm only out of $7. And that's how I feel about it. So stay with me. Please consider like, subscribe. Let's see if this works. And if it does work, I'll put the link of getting this particular quiver for $7, and you can do the same thing. All right. And again, I'll put the link of this spray can. The links will be affiliate. If you click on those links, it does support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. So enough of me talking. That's what I'm looking to do. I'm going to try to repaint this quiver. First, I'm going to start with this part right here. All right. I'm going to take this off with some tape. I have fabric spray paint, and we're just going to test it on here. We're going to see if we can spray this and see will it hold. If it does, then of course I'm gonna do the whole thing. So let's see if it works. And again, I'm not looking for a professional. It doesn't have decrease. I don't care. You know, I'm not really, it's not a fashion show to me. All right, but I do want to eliminate a lot of the pink. All right, because again, pink is not my color, but $7 is. All right. So let's get this all taken apart. Let's get this taken off, and let's do a test and see if this works. Okay, all right, I rubbed it down with some regular alcohol, the surface of it, just make sure it dries a bit. So now I'm just gonna do a quick spray. Let me see how this play out. That came out pretty wet. You can see that, so I'll go this way. I know this comes out very wet and heavy too. Ooh. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that. That comes out very, very, very wet, very high too. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just let this sit for a little bit and sit for a while and see how it comes out. All right. Got some good coverage. Splattered over here, which is no problem because I'm gonna paint that also. That's done. So let's give it a few hours and we'll come back to the video and see this turned out. And meanwhile, while this is drying, I'm gonna put this off and I'm gonna take this area here also, then end up spray painting this. I don't think I'm probably gonna spray paint right over the Easton. It's not a big deal. This is not sponsored by them, so I'm gonna spray paint over their logo to see if this works out. All right, so let's see how this goes, guys. Stand by and we'll just keep it moving. Okay, guys, it's still drying. As I notice, it comes out really thick. So you're just gonna have to let it sit and soak into the fabric. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna paint this part all black. I covered up the zippers as much as I can with some tape. And now we're gonna hit this part. Yeah, you can see how wet it comes out. I'm trying to hit it lightly, but it comes out real thick. I guess that's just how it is. It's not like a spray can. It is, but it isn't. It just comes out real thick. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna let it sit here. I really don't want to move it to get runs. So I'm trying to just let it sit. Since it comes out so thick, just let it absorb into the fabric. So let's just let this sit for a few hours and we'll see how it comes out. Okay guys, this is pretty much the final product. Now, is it perfect? No. As you can see, there is some run stains. What run stain? But let it running because it comes out so thick in this can. But you know what? I can live with that. All right, as you can see, there's some pink still coming through, which I'm gonna pick up probably a permanent black marker just to hit the edges. So that'll be the best bet with that. But overall, for $7, a little fabric paint, I'm in the running. All right, so again, just a quick tip, guys. You're looking for a quiver, a hip quiver. You wanna spend that ridiculous about $50, $25 for a quiver just to hold some arrows. Take advantage of Easton special on this one. It's pink, but again, get some fabric paint, spray paint it, whatever color you want other than pink, and you'll be fine. Guys, consider like, subscribe. These tips help. Please use the affiliate links below. It supports the channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Later.